So here, this area is owned by Chinese-Filipino, like all the storage facilities here. But basically spices, soybeans, you have rice, flour, you know, for baking. So, but here, it's open Monday to Saturday, but of course, like, it's Chinese owned, but the local Filipinos are working for them, you know? They have money to give them salary, you know? But this area, like, smells spices, right? Smells spices. Busy. Cool, huh? Yeah, because we're very close to Chinatown. But the business is here. Their business is here. Like you see that the guy in the blue like shirt. No, he's own the store. But the local people like working for you, you know? But basically here, like sometimes a wholesale area. Nakaliwa tayo. But yeah, Divisoria is a really big market. You have vegetable, you have fruits, and then doon ka na lang sa kabila, dumaan. May screen doon. Sa kabila ka na lang. Mamaya pa yan siya. Tapos may kaliwa doon. Babalik tayo. May screen na din sa gilid. Yan, kaliwa. Yan. So everyone is busy here, you know? Yeah. But although, because we're very close to the port, like Kiev in Tagalog. Port is very close here, the cargo shipping. So all this goods from China and other islands. Nakaliwa tayo naman. But all these toys, all these goods, yeah, came from China. Some of them. Like plastic containers, anything, you know. Squeeze ka dyan. Tapos kaliwa ka. Wala pong sarado po.
Doon sa kabila eh.
Pinadaan po kami. But this mall, they named like Chinese. Lucky numbers. 818, 168 mall, and then like 999 mall. Oh, yeah. Means you're very close to Chinatown already, you know? Yeah. Kakanan tayo dun mamaya. So basically here, like my mom before, like she's selling some like, snacks.
Boss, bati boss.
Yeah. Wala kang beef. Wala ka part siya. Look at that, you know? All these big, boxes, no? Kakanan tayo. Yeah, I did like carrying old plastics before, like for like slippers. Those are heavy. That's why mine you need to be here. This is your gym. You don't need to go to gym. This is your gym. So here, like those in the right, you can't buy one piece. You need to buy the whole bag. The candies, chocolates, what else? Anything, you know. And in the left, those are Chinese malls, wholesaler. Like, I mean, they have retail, but it's wholesale. Don't give money, huh? Don't give money. Don't give money. Really? Look.